First thing we have to do is make a template so we can mark the panel on both sides. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just gonna make a quick template of the shape. This is what will be our pattern for our panel. Well, it's cold as sucks. Obvious part. The template cardboard cut out. You need to use the cardboard, excuse me, you need to use the cardboard to mark both sides of the panel. So the boundaries have to come to the outsides of the panel, which you normally do that anyway when you're making a template. Okay, so now that that's done, flip it over. I'll do the exact same path over here. And the reason we do this, I'll show you later, is because you need to be able to bead roll it with the skateboard wheel on both sides. Okay. That's cut out. Now we're going to do the outside line. Because there has to be you have to roll it from both sides. Because that's how you get your push to one end and push to the other. Sounds awesome. But you have to roll from both sides in order to get the results that I do. And that's why you have to copy the template exact on both sides. And this is just a mindless shape, but it's kind of neat looking.
Not bad.
Star Wars lady. Gotta decide what end you're going to push and what end you're going to pull on. So this is going to be extruded to the other side. So as you crank it down a few times, it's 80 thousandths, so it's pretty thick. Pressure than usual. Go off the line, but no worries, just put it on slow. Just take it like that. Okay, so now, so far, this is what we have. That's extruded. Now, this is why the template is drawn on both sides. Because now we're going to put the inner angle around the outside. go over this a couple times. Tighten this one up. Very effective. Could have squeezed this harder, but sorry, those go offline. Critical. I'm going to trail it again. A little bit more angle. And that's 80 thousandths. Much stiffer. So I'll let that line off first. You can actually taper body lines with it also. There are a lot of things you can do that you just cannot do with the steel dies. I hardly ever use the steel dies now. Okay. Right back out. Once the black lines are gone, it's less confusing than what's really happening. There you have variable body lines. With a little sanding, that'd be a beautiful part. So, you can also have it the other side if you like. Bits and pieces. Yes. No bucking. Don't need wooden bucks on a skateboard wheel. Not for a lot of stuff anyway. Some things are so neat. Yep. They last forever. And what I did is I just took. Right now, it's really hardly anything to put it on. It's just a piece that I just kind of tacked and welded together quick and just made it so I put it where the bearing was, and that's pretty much it. And there's, you know, it's possible to make a bunch of different dies for, instead of using this tipping die, but we can make different dies for the top. I've actually made a
it's in there, yeah.
A shrinking die out of a skateboard wheel. I machined it down. So there's also an idea that it does work.
What kind of top thing would you use with one of those?
This right here goes on the skateboard wheel also.
Oh, okay.
And what happens is these cogs, they roll into the skateboard wheel and it puts little ripples in the panel.
Ah,
shrinks it.
Nice. Okay.
It's pretty cool. It works really well, and they're so small that you can sand them out.
Nice.
So it works really well.
All right.
So there's another idea that I had. So, but all right, that's pretty much the gist of it.